Hello guys, I got this from the shop and I'm
them
gonna
see.
make a mold
Let them
with
see
it.
what is this? What is this?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there is the mold set. So I'm gonna make the mold in here and choose the paint. And I don't know what this is. So I don't know what this is. So okay, the paintbrush for the paint. And I paint on the paint. And I got the paintbrush. And there you go.
And we got a scissor here. We got a scissor too.
I got the scissors.
And we need what? Water.
Yeah.
In a Paw Patrol.
Yeah,
In a Paw Patrol.
this is actually my cup.
Yeah, a Paw Patrol cup is Paw Patrol.
Actually, it's my cup for drinking.
Okay.
So.
But we're using it to make
mold.
mold. Okay.
Like this, we're gonna make a mold.
Alright, very good. So first thing what we need?
Is this?
We need to cut it.
I'll cut it.
Okay.
Too big or small?
Small.
Too small?
No. Cut it from here. Yes.
Here?
Yes. Alright, very
And
good.
there you go.
Wait a minute. First we need. Let me read the instructions. Yeah. Now put it inside.
All of it.
No, let's see how much can go.
You can't put all of it.
Yeah.
We're gonna make different ones
Be
like
careful.
this. Okay?
Yeah. Be careful.
We're gonna make different ones like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. Okay. Let me help you. Wait a minute.
Don't put all of it.
I'm not putting all of it. There's still plenty.
There's plenty of it.
Mm.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Hmm?
I'll tell you when to stop.
Yeah, see how much is it? Still too little.
Oh, let go. No. Somebody give me a shower or something.
I think it's enough.
Yeah.
Let's try this one, okay?
Yeah.
And now next step we put it here.
Okay.
Next we need
And
a
next you're gonna
stirrer.
put some water.
Yeah, this is we need to stir, right? We use this to stir.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put water. You're gonna stir.
Yeah.
Show me how you're gonna do it.
Like that.
Or you put water, I stir.
No. You put water.
Okay, but you have to be consistent. Okay, right? Have to start stirring.
Yeah.
Stir now. Stir.
I do it.
Yes. Let me do. Wait a minute. What you have to do?
Put
No,
all
no,
of
no.
it.
Wait.
All
wait.
of it.
No, don't put more. I
Mm,
think we put too much water.
Hmm.
Stir. I think let me put a little bit more.
I don't think so.
Okay, now stir.
It's so. Papa, it's almost running out.
Oh, okay.
Papa, it's almost running out.
Okay, don't worry. We still have a lot.
We have to get all end of here.
Okay, give one stir, and then leave it for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
There is no bubbles. There should not be any bubbles inside. Okay,
Okay.
and no hard thing. Let me put 3 minutes.
There's a little bit bubble. Look,
Mm-hmm.
a little bit bubble.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah, break them. So we have to put leave it for 3 minutes, and your time starts now.
And that's the timer on?
Yes. Okay, leave it now.
Okay. 3 minutes.
So we are waiting now. You sing a song for so long. You can sing a song so long. Leave that.
Papa, it looks so cool.
Yeah.
Papa,
Yes.
gonna take long.
Hmm.
Gonna take long. So, cheers. See you in the end.
Hmm?
Yeah? Oh, see it. There you go.
Yeah, leave it down. You don't have to move it, right? Now,
So I'm gonna paint it with this brush. So I got a very soft brush and it's very small. So I'm gonna use it gently. I'm gonna use it very careful because it's so small. So I'm gonna use it carefully with the color. So don't have the same color. So I'm gonna change it another color.
I think we should put it
What?
in
No,
the mold.
it's stop.
Okay, let's stop it.
No, it's 3 minutes.
Okay. But I think it's too long, 3 minutes. 2 minutes, we stop it. And now I think we should put it. Are you ready?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Really sure?
Yes, because it's gonna dry.
Okay. It says it's gonna dry.
Yeah, it says.
In 3 minutes, it's gonna dry.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna pour it gently.
Yeah. Gently.
I'm pour it gently.
Yes.
I'm pour.
First,
No, first you're gonna make this one.
well, let them see. Let them see what we have here.
I'm sure.
Okay.
We got the flower mold and we got the flower mold and the butterfly mold.
Show them nicely.
and
Like this. Yes. They can't see.
we got a flower mold and a butterfly mold and another butterfly mold and another flower mold.
Okay.
Papa,
Yes. Put it down now.
Papa,
Mhm.
when they're gonna put it on YouTube?
Okay. Now, let's put it.
I'm gonna put it down.
Okay. First, where? The flower.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then all these on tomorrow.
Okay. No, all of them. We have a lot of mold.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Put
We-
put here first.
Papa,
It's getting dry, so you have to be
If
fast.
we use all of them, we can make another one tomorrow.
Yes. Yes. See, we got a lot of thing left. Yes. Put it.
Tell me when to stop, okay?
Yes. Carry on. See, it got dry a little bit.
Okay.
No. Okay. Maybe you need some help. Put it. Come on. Only 2, right? We don't have more. So today we're gonna make only 2 and see how it goes, right? And this is an experiment we are doing today.
Okay.
Put it more here. Don't leave this one. I am holding this. You put it. Oh, that one is too hard.
It got a little bit soft.
Okay, put it here.
Gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
So let them see. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I think we made a little bit. We should have made more.
Yeah.
Okay, but this was our first time.
So we're gonna make only 2.
Oh.
What?
It fell out. Oh,
Ah!
oh, okay. Okay, sorry. We're gonna wipe it. We
Papa.
need a tissue paper. We need a tissue paper.
No, it's fine. Fine. Papa, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna wash it out. I'll put all some of them in this one. On this one. Oh, see.
Wait.
Find it.
Let me bring quickly.
Check the. Why are you pushing?
And give me the tissue paper. Wipe this one here.
Tissue paper. There you go. Papa, so.
All right. So let's read the instructions now.
And now we're gonna do a next to it, this one.
Okay.
I already poured it, so this one.
They can't see.
What?
Okay, now
So check the mode.
don't touch it right now.
So check the mode. And let's see this. It's a little bit hard. We still
Now
have
we have
plenty of it.
Yes, we have to wait for it to get hardened. Okay, when it will get hard, then we take it out. Right? So long we have to wait and sing a song. Now you sing a song. So long.
Which song?
Anyone you like. Frozen one.
Papa,
Hmm.
how many minutes?
It will take long. You have to sing a song. What? Come on. You can do it.
Let it go, let it go. Hey, won't put that anymore. Let it go, let it go. How my back to turn out. It's long go night on night tonight and looks like I'm the queen. The windy chair will light this world, got a shy. Couldn't keep it tight on all night, alive. Let them see. He's the girl always has to be. And you don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Hey, don't put that anymore. Let it go, let it go. I'm about to turn out. It's long go night on night tonight and looks like I'm the queen. The windy chair will light the world, got a sky. Couldn't keep it tight all night July.
Okay, I think that was a wonderful song. I think, don't make it bad. I think we should come back and see. It's taking long. It's taking long. It will take long, right? So guys, tell you guys, we're gonna come back and check after 20 minutes.
We're gonna come back and check his harden in 20 minutes.
See you then.
So that's a long time, right?
We'll see you later.
We'll see you later. It is harden.
Take care. Bye bye. We're coming back just now, okay?